This is a very famous math, viral math you can say. This is Harvard University's math. So let's solve it. Here 2 to the power t equal t to the power 32. We have to find value of t. So at first t, both side we took a power 1 divided t, both side, here and here. Then 2t divided t equal t 32 divided t. So t and t cancel. Here 2t 32 divided t. Then 2 again 1 divided 32 here, and t to the power 32t, here also 1 divided 32, both side, here and here we take power. Now here we can get 1 divided 32, and here t to the power 32 divided this 32 is below. That's mean 32 into t, this 32 cancel each other. Now 1 divided 32 t, here remainder on t, so t to the power 1 divided t. Now 1 into 1 divided 32. So if we take here 1, so there is no change. This 1 will be anything, like 8 divided 8 equal 1, 2 divided 2 equal 1, 3 divided 3 equal 1, whatever you want, this one. So 2, we take 2 divided 2, that's mean 1 into 1 divided 32, here no change. Again 2, this 2 square, that's mean this power, and this power multiply by 32, that's mean 1 divided 2 cross 32 equal t 1 divided t. Then 2 to the power 2 means 4, and here 2 multiply 32 means 64, then t 1 divided t. Again 4, 1 divided 64, we get here 2 into 2. You can see here also a 1, so 1 means 2 divided 2, that means 1. So we repeat this term again and again when the term is like that, right hand side. So 4 square, this power and this power multiply by 64, that's mean 1 to 8, t to the power 1 divided t. This one is 16, 1 to 8, t 1 divided t. Again 16, 2 divided 2, so 128 t. In the right hand side no change, so 16, this power and this power multiply by 1 to 8, that's mean 256 t 1 t. So 16 power 2 means 256, and this power 256 equal t 1 t. So we know that a to the power a equal b to the power b means a equal b. So for this formula we can apply here t equal to 56. That's mean the value of t is 256.